Welcome back to Explore Error. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix the lag problem on your Windows 10 computer. Just follow me step by step. First, go to your Start menu and click on the Settings button. After opening Settings, you will see the Windows Settings window. Now, click on the Privacy option. From the left side, select General. Here, you need to turn off a few settings. First, click on General and turn off all 4 options. Next, go to Speech and turn off both options there. Then, go to Location and turn off the Location option. For Camera, do not turn off these 2 options because it will disable your microphone and voice activation. After that, go to the Notifications tab and turn off all options: Account Info, Contacts, Calendar if not already off, Phone Calls, Email, Tasks, Messaging, Radios, and Background apps. Next, go to Documents and turn off this option, then Videos, and finally, File System. Once done, restart your computer and it should fix the lag problem. I hope this short video helps you. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like button, and share button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.